conveniently located within the world's leading life science cluster and is North America's largest small molecule drug substance manufacturer. Seqens' award-winning performance places it on the top 10% of contract manufacturer organizations. The Seqens difference starts in the laboratory with recognized expertise in process research, process development, and scale-up manufacturing. At Seqens, we find the solutions. At Seqens, surprises are unacceptable, and our clients routinely tell us how much they value our proactive project management, which includes real-time communications, proactive budget and timeline management, ongoing technical and regulatory advice. We collaborate to solve small problems before they grow into big ones. At Seqens, we understand the challenges going from laboratory to cGMP manufacturing. Our seamless solution provides preclinical and clinical supplies, commercial manufacturing, and full analytical development, all within one organization. We'll be with you every step of the way. Seqens. Visit our website at cdmo.seqens.com.